So I finally picked up a daily driver and it's definitely different, but I'm pretty excited about it. And I know you guys want to see it too, so check it out and let me know what you guys think. And here it is, a 2006 BMW 330i in the color of sparkling graphite. And yes, it is a 6-speed manual transmission. This here is actually my very first BMW and my very first rear-wheel drive car. So I'm pretty excited to see what these are all about. The car is not perfect, but it's actually in pretty good condition for its age. It does have some small issues here and there, but nothing that would prevent me from daily driving the car right now. And one thing that really sold me on the car was this big stack of maintenance record. See there? Dating all the way back to the very first owner. So it gives me a really good peace of mind that the car was well taken care of. So I chose to go with the M52 because it's much more reliable compared to the turbo variant of this model, and that was what I was looking for in a daily driver. I have a bunch of things that I want to do to the E90, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the videos to come on the E90 330i. Let's actually start messing with it right now and clean it up a bit. Let's get rid of that license plate frame. There we go. Let's get rid of that 330i emblem. There we go, much cleaner. Let's pull this guy off. Dang, those headlights need a real good polishing, so let's see what I can do. Passenger side is good, not perfect, but a lot better. Now, let's do the driver side. Driver side done. Dang, that is so much better. Crazy how big of a difference a set of clean headlights make a car look. Alright, I think that's good for now. Let me know what you guys think about the new daily driver, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to stay updated on videos to come on the E90 330i. Thanks.